G'day guys, just got a quick DIY for you here today. I am going to get back to making some more adventure videos soon. Just the whole work-life balance is getting in the way at the moment, so yeah, we'll get back into that soon. But for now, if you're anything like me and you've got a ton of fishing rods lying around, you just want to get them up out of the way, then stick around and I'll show you how. Okay, so this is really cheap, really easy and really quick to make. All you're going to need is a couple of pieces of timber. Now this is recycled timber, I think it was from an old bed frame. Always hang on to any bits of timber or steel or whatever, because I'm always making things and it always comes in handy. Now this is about, what do we got, 9 centimeters by about 2 centimeters. So that should do the trick. I've got 2 bits of that. Couple of clamps, you need a pen, tape measure, a jigsaw, or well, you can use a handsaw as well, but jigsaw just makes it easier, and a drill with a hole saw. So this one's about 4 centimeters, which is big enough for the largest fishing rod handle that I've got to go through. So just check that it, make sure that it'll fit that. And that's it, good to go. So now here's one I've prepared earlier. I actually started to make this before, but then the drill battery ran flat. So I've marked out my 10 holes all along here for the handles to go through. I wanted to hold 10 fishing rods. Clamp the 2 pieces together so that I only have to mark it once. Each hole is roughly, what do we got? 15 centimeters apart. And the way I worked that out was I measured from the center of the fishing rod to the extent of the handle on the largest rods that I've got, so that I know that they're all going to fit without bumping into each other. Anyway, so clamped them together, started drilling the holes. Let's get that finished. So now what we need to do is mark the lines that we want to cut up into, and that's so that the rod tip will fit into the slot. Now, where did I put that pen? I know I had a pencil around here somewhere. Anyway, alright, I have to find something else. Okay, so I'm just going to take this on a 45-degree angle, and that's probably about 1 inch wide. That will be fine. And I'm just going to mark 2 lines down each hole. I'm just going to go ahead and do all this now. Alright, now that we've marked those, I'm just going to take our jigsaw and just going to cut up into each one.